This video is sponsored by Off the Record, the easiest way to fight your traffic tickets. Snap a photo of your ticket, answer a few questions, get matched with an experienced lawyer, no mailing your ticket, no showing up to court. And if they can't keep it off your record, it's free. Register now before you need the service, because when you need it, you won't find the discount code.
Oh, you were wondering for focal length. That's why you were wondering for... Yeah. Oh, sorry, Charlie. I have no idea.
Register now before you need the service, because when you need it, you won't find the discount code. Register now before you need the service.
We can go a little bit faster.
Register now before you need the service, because when you need it, you won't find the discount code. Register now. Register now. Register right now before you need the service, because when you need it, you won't find the discount code. Register right now before you need the service, because when you need it, you won't find the discount code. Register right now before you need the service, because when you need it, you won't find the discount code.
Are you okay if he gets closer? Can you tell him to be like playful, like come up on the rear, drop back, come up on the car, swerve a little bit? Can you go to the left a little bit more? Have him go right. There we go. Mountains. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, that's good. That's what I'm talking about. Oh hell yeah, these roads are dope. Fuck yeah. That's right, he's used to it. What's up? We're still farther away from them. We're good for right now. If you see another pullover somewhere, we're gonna pull over, okay? I want to do him in front of us in a little bit, like underslung. Try to get some detail shots. Should we just pull over here? How far away?
The next stop should be soon. Tell them to come up to that much more side over here.
This side? This other guy's getting too close. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna try to let this other car pass.
Did you guys know that only 5% of people who get traffic tickets actually contest them in court? With the Off the Record app, you'll do away with all that wasted time and added stress of actually going to traffic court. Simply by downloading the Off the Record app, submitting your ticket, creating a claim, Off the Record will match you with a local, experienced, and vetted lawyer that'll take care of your entire claim from start to finish. The best part about all this, other than not wasting your time in traffic court when you could be installing a new part on your project car, is that Off the Record has a 97% success rate in keeping tickets off your record. And if they can't, they will give you a full refund. That's all your money back. Off the Record is perfect for everybody in the automotive community, and you should never leave home without it. Especially if you're going to that one Oceanside event every year where people tend to get a lot of tickets. I think you know what I'm talking about. This app is gonna be perfect for you guys. Just like some of us carry a fire extinguisher in our car to protect our investment, carry this app in your pocket on your phone at all times to protect your driving record. If you download the app today and sign up, you can get 10% off your first case by using the code Krispy10. There's literally no easier way to fight your ticket than with Off the Record. Download it today, make sure you use my coupon code. Enjoy your drive, guys. Don't worry about those tickets.